Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to sell gift cards in Odoo. So to do that in this platform you use the e-commerce plus gift card, a wallet, loyalty system depending on your version. Okay, so the gift cards lets customers buy store credits that can be redeemed later. So actually guys, first you will need to enable the gift card and loyalty features. So you only just go to the sales right here, then just go with the configuration option at the top, go with the settings, and here just look for the promotions and loyalty and gift card. Okay, so you can find it in the pricing here, go and check market, right? So you all need to do the same for the website, and to do that you will need just to type for example promotions on the search bar, and yeah, so that's the option for the website app. Go ahead and check market, and once finished guys, you will need to go and click on save to make sure that you saved the changes. And now guys, you will need to go with the products right here, go with the discount and loyalty, or even the gift card and e-wallet. So you will need to go with the last one here, click on an existing one, or just go with a new one from here. All right, so here guys, you will need to give a product name. Okay, so for example, you will need to mention discounts as at first, as you can see here. So that's an example, so you can go with 20% for the new laptops. Okay, and below here on the program type, you can go with gift card or e-wallet, so you choose, right? And also here you can enter the email template, right? And the currency, okay, so you can switch for more. And also you can here start, or you should start with the future orders. It's even you forced to. So here you will need to set it on available on sales. All right, and you will need to set up the currency to here again. All right, and once finished, you will need to go with generate the gift card. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.